Hi everyone, it is potato digging day.
Hi class, let's learn about picking potatoes. First we'll start with these piles. See these piles? This is where my parents got them. Okay, let's find some. Okay, let's find some. Let's find some potatoes. See that's my pile. I found 16 potatoes. And let's find some. Is there any here? Nope. Is there any in here? No. Let's check in there. I found one! Now I got 17. It's a real good hill.
Yeah, there's some big ones in here. We may have got.
I found one!
Yeah, there you go.
There it is!
We may have gotten most of them.
I got 30, but I got 21 potatoes! Yes! Oh, he's cute. I got 22 potatoes. Okay, let's find some potatoes.
Right there.
Find some. Think I will. I found one.
Oh, it's green. Do you want to talk about the green potatoes? Show the end.
Green potatoes are poisonous. And look at the top. It's good. Don't eat the bottom. The bottom's poison, the top is good. Now I got 18. Let's look for 20. Let's find 20 potatoes. I found the 20 potato. Whoa, that's big. It's real big. Look at this giant potato. Just look at it. Let's put it in my pile now. I found 20 potatoes. Bye, class. Have a nice time. Bye, subscribers.
I hope you enjoyed our potato harvest. Bye-bye.
Okay, we started with 20 pounds.
Yes.
Yeah, two 10-pound bags of seed. And I don't know what we've got here. We've eaten quite a bit over the summer. Probably a couple 100 pounds in total.